These AI pet comedy videos are blowing up right now. Take a look at this account. One clip alone has pulled in 7.4 million views. I'm going to show you exactly how to make these yourself. First, go to aicenturies.com, click GPT Library, search pet comedy, and click Start Chat. It opens with 4 buttons. Let's start with Create Reference Character. It offers 2 ways to start. I don't have a pet handy, so let's go with the second option. Then pick the one you like, and it will ask you look mode. I'm going to pick Real Pet. The GPT locks the character and writes a full character sheet prompt, so copy it. Next, head to OpenArt, click Create Image, and switch the model to GPT Image 2. Paste the prompt, set the ratio to 9:16 and the resolution to 1K. Then click Generate. You get a full reference sheet. The same golden retriever, fully photoreal, shown from the front, the side, and outdoors. Now go back to ChatGPT, start a new chat, and click Create Storyboard. Upload the reference sheet. It offers 10 story ideas. Pick one or type more. I type 6 for delivery box ambush. Then choose single shots, so each new image edits the one before it instead of describing the whole gag at once. It writes back the shot 1 prompt. Copy it and head back to OpenArt. Attach the reference sheet and paste in the prompt, then generate. The dog staring at a closed box, like something's about to happen. From here, it's a loop. Upload each shot back into ChatGPT, pick how the story goes, copy the next prompt, paste it into OpenArt over the last one, attach the previous image, and generate. Do that 3 more times and you've got the whole gag, the sneak, the ambush, and the retreat, where he ends up peeking around the doorway at the box. With all 4 shots done, let's start a new chat again and click Create Video Prompt. Upload all 4 shots together. It writes a full 8-second, 4-beat prompt, time-stamped with dialogue and sound. Then go back to OpenArt and switch to the Video tab. Pick Seedance 2.0 as the model. Attach the 4 shots as references. Paste the video prompt in. Set the ratio to 9:16, the resolution to 1080p, and the duration to 8 seconds. Then click Generate. You get an 8-second clip. He sniffs the box. The flap springs up, he flinches back, then retreats to peek at it from the doorway. To keep the story going, pick a number from the GPT, copy the new prompt, attach the last frame as the start frame, and generate. This one shows him backing slowly out of frame, then peeking his head back around the corner to check on the box. I also made a few more clips with Kling 3.0. You can see here, all built the same way.
How does this work? It works.
That's it. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.